back.
How are you, my friend?
Fine, very, very fine. I'm very glad to see JJ again in Milan.
Yes, it's great. It's been over a year.
Yeah.
When we went to Bergamo.
Bergamo.
Allora, cin cin.
Chin chin. We will go home and I cook something for my brother.
Yes, he's gonna cook. We're gonna go to the kitchen with Paolo. He's gonna put on his chef's hat.
We will show you how a real Italian man can cook.
What will you cook?
Yeah, don't worry.
What are you gonna cook?
Amatriciana. So you guys follow us.
Yes. I like the hat too. You're
Yeah.
gonna put on the hat. That's Jason Statham right there.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We are ready.
Let's go.
See you later.
Paolo's in the kitchen. He's not ready yet, but he's gonna teach us how to cook some great Italian food. He's just preparing.
Hi guys.
There's the man of the hour, Chef Paolo.
Are you ready? Jay, we are making pasta with the sugo called amatriciana. This is a kind of different because the original recipe you don't make onion inside, but
But you put onion.
yeah, because it's very sweet and very tasty. This is guanciale. We cut all it. Look, the fat is very, very tasty. Very pepper. This is homemade meat. Like
Homemade meat. Okay.
yeah, like this cheese. We don't buy this thing at the supermarket.
Oh, you make it.
Yeah, because there are a local farmer near Napoli, and we can buy that.
Paolo's from Napoli.
Yeah, I come from Napoli.
Yeah. That's a Russian salad that his sister made when she was here for the holidays. Sliced up. Chin chin, my friends.
Chin chin.
My family in Italia.
Cheers!
Ciao. Cheers! Nobody wants to see me. All my viewers who watched the last Milan videos wanted to see Paolo and Rachel, so I'm gonna show them most of the time. You guys see enough of me.
Oh, this wine is good. This is Figaia After the Red by Serafini and Bidotto. Really good red wine. Figaia is
It's made with milk from a sheep. This is called caciocavallo.
It's good.
Yeah, this is very strong. This is called Pecorino.
Pecorino. Okay,
Yeah,
Pecorino
very
cheese.
good. Very good. You can taste it.
Let's try this cheese, guys.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I got the cheese.
I got the cheese.
Amazing.
Bellissimo.
Wow, man.
How long has it been aged?
I think more than 1 year.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
This is some good cheese, guys.
I made also this cream with tuna, olive oil, anchovies,
Capers.
onion. Very good. This is unique.
Oh yeah. That's some good tuna paste. That's a winner, Paolo.
Wow, wonderful.
That's real Italian food.
Hi guys. Tomato is ready. I can show you how can you recognize when the tomato is ready. You can just do like this with the spoon. If you see the line is dry, the tomato is ready because there is no more water inside.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this is ready.
What kind of pasta?
Bucatini. There is the hole inside.
Small, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the difference between spaghetti and bucatini.
Yeah. There is.
You had bucatini at the Roman restaurant last
Yes,
year.
right. This is the amazing pasta in Italy, amatriciana. This is the perfect size of pasta.
That's your favorite. Your favorite is
Yeah.
bucatini. I remember you
My
telling me.
favorite pasta is bucatini.
Bucatini.
Bucatini All'amatriciana. When you eat this pasta, it whistles because there's a hole in it.
And this is Paolo's favorite pasta in the entire world. Just like mine is tagliatelle bolognese. From Lorna's in University City.
Shout out to Lorna!
Birthday dinner commences. Tagliatelle bolognese, the Guidi Pescatori, and the UC special. Shout out to Lorna's, what's up? Shout out to my boy Oren in University City working at Lorna's. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. Io auguro a tutti voi una cena perfetta come questa. Tra amici familiari, piena di allegria e di serenità. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Cheers.
Trying the amatriciana. The pasta whistles because there's a hole between it. It's like spaghetti, but there's a hole. Bellissimo. What is this?
Liquor.
Liquor with pistachio. Homemade stuff always.
And I just introduced Rachel to the Andrea Bocelli
Oh my God.
Sheeran remix of
Perfect. It's so amazing. I've been listening to it like non-stop since he shared it with me.
I'm gonna play it in the end card, okay? So after this vlog's over, I'll play like 8 seconds of that. In Italian too.
Sei la mia donna, la forza delle onde del mare.
Whoa, this is like super good, guys. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Piccolo. Piccolo. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Yes. This kills any types of germs that are coming through your body right now.
Yeah, very good.
It tastes like that pistachio ice cream I had in the Florence vlog, which is probably a couple of vlogs before this. So good.
Wow.
Makes you even want to lick the bottom of the shot glass.
Do you want another?
I'm good, man.
Okay. Oh wow.
I'll be shot in bed.
This is lemon choc. Limoncello with chocolate directly from Amalfi, La Valle dei Mulini, the farmer who made this wonderful thing. Okay.
We've had a little bit of these wonderful things twice already.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, dude. That's like lemon chocolate. That's good too.
Wow.
Whoa. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. Me and Paolo are hanging out, talking about vino and all the good stuff. We will see him again in the next vlog.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys.
And dab on.
Dab.
E sia